Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're gonna try to get a jack reinstalled. Our tongue jack broke, it got waterlogged, and it's time to replace it. It was only a couple years old, but I feel like the previous owners might not have taken very good care of it. It was one of those Lipperts that kind of had the vinyl on the top. You'll see pictures of it in a minute. I think water got in there, shorted it out. I tried a couple different ways to fix it. I ended up cranking it multiple times. So we are not going to be doing that anymore. I'm getting too old and too out of shape to be cranking a 7,000 pound rig up and down. So we're going to put a new tongue jack on, and well, anyway, well, let's get to it. Screw this talking. Time to change it out. As you can see, this jack has seen better days. See a nice hole there? It doesn't work. Nothing's happening. Water got in here. The people we bought it from didn't take very good care of it, so it's a little bit beat up. So we're going to switch that out, and we're going to give ourselves a facelift with a brand new tongue jack. This is the new jack, you know, like New Jack City. It's my new jack. We don't live in a city though. Let's see what's up here. Sorry if it's shaky, but I'm not the best cameraman. That's probably why I only have like 270 views on my channel. Comes with a crank, looks just like the one I have right there. So now we have more than one. Right, it is a Lippert. There aren't many other brands, and you kind of go with what you know. You know, if you're going to buy a bike, you buy a Schwinn. If you're going to buy, you know, a TV, you buy Samsung or Zenith, something you heard of. So I heard a Lippert. Oh yeah, the other one was a Lippert. I think the previous owners didn't take very good care of it, so that's what's wrong with it. It's not necessarily our doing. We only had this rig for a year. The jack was on it when we got it, so it does come with hardware. How about that? How about that? All right, nice and shiny, new. All right. Let's see what we got here. Looks like almost the exact same model, just an upgrade. There's the fuse, same line, same red cord, same stand. Oh, just looks like an upgrade on the buttons, so maybe they won't get water and condensation inside the buttons like the other one did and kill it. Alright, so the new jack has arrived. Alright. There we go. That's the new baby. Just make sure, have to make sure it works, but other than that, it looks good. shoot a hole. It is, and we should just find a spot for it right here. This is a little tricky because it's got this little carrier that you put the seven-way plug into. So it needs to go on here first, like so. Alright, so we got some metal for it to connect to, so it'll ground itself, because it doesn't come with a ground. It doesn't come with a ground. So we got some metal here for it to connect itself to. Alright, let's get the new one out. Right down in the holy hole. There we go. Worry about that after we get it connectified. New hardware. Got some new hardware. There's some new hardware. Alright, new hardware. Oh wow. Hey, it was a Ziploc bag, and I decided just to rip it open, so whatever. Oh, I know. I'm not littering. This is my yard. I'm throwing stuff in a pile. Please don't call the authorities. Alright. You're lined up. There's no nut. The nut is the frame of the rig, so there's no nut to put on the other end, which makes it a lot easier. I can't imagine trying to work it like this. So there is no nut. Well, there's a nut. You're looking at them, but other than that, there's no nuts. I like some nuts. Peanuts, hazelnuts, cashews. I don't know. I don't have any fancy stuff like those things that you put together with the guys on home improvement shows. I ain't got none of that stuff. All I got is some good old-fashioned electrical tape. We'll wrap this baby up, put a little heat to it, and then we'll test out the jack to see if it works. By the way, I'm colorblind. It's pretty difficult doing this kind of stuff when you're colorblind. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's probably a good idea not to do it, especially if you're colorblind. But I actually did electrical work. I don't know how, just lucky I guess, but I know what they are, even though they're not red, white, blue, etc. Green to me. Alright, let's see if this bad boy works. Here we go. So this rig comes with a battery. It comes with a battery disconnect, so I'm going to disconnect, reconnect the battery because I disconnected it earlier. These glasses are annoying. Reconnect the battery because I disconnected it earlier, and then we're going to plug it in since we're here at home, and we can plug in to a shore power, and then we'll see if it works. Battery disconnect. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the battery. Flip that way. All right. And then we're gonna plug it in too because we're already plugged in. Huh? We're gonna flip the switch. All right, switch flipped. Let's see what we got. Switch flipped, and we got some power. All right, we're good. All right, let's get this bad boy. See if it works. If it don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Lights on. How about that? Oh my goodness. It works. I'm a genius. Hot damn. Look at that. No more cranking. It's so quiet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, so we're going to get these cables cleaned up, get everything put back together, get the trash thrown away, and we'll be done. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.